by Jurgen's Journeys to do the, what is it called? The 10 question RV quarantine challenge?
Yep.
Okay.
10 question RV quarantine challenge.
There we go. Okay, so what's number one?
Number one is, how many rolls of TP do you have at this moment?
Okay, we have 6.5 in the house.
3 in the camper. And then we have some in the closet.
4 in the closet.
Yep.
So 13 and a half.
Yep. Question number 2. What has been the biggest change since the lockdown?
Well, that's the same question everybody, or the same answer everybody gives, I think, not being able to go camping. Because all the state campgrounds and everything have been closed, so, but hopefully, here pretty soon, ours are going to start opening back up.
Where are you currently parked/docked?
In our driveway.
Yeah.
That's where we're always parked when we're not camping.
What have you gone without recently? Question number 4.
What have we done without?
Well, I mean, a lot of camping trips.
Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much probably just it.
Yeah, because
our state didn't seem to lock down quite as tight as everyone else. And we didn't have a lot of grocery issues like a lot of people did. We did notice the TP run out.
And there was some water issues.
Yeah, for a little
here and
bit, but then it all came right back.
Yeah. Okay, question number 5. What are you most grateful for?
Aw, you homes.
Whatever make you blush.
Still having a job. Well,
Yeah.
you still having a job. I don't work anyways.
Yeah, my particular position was deemed essential, so I haven't lost any hours yet, so I'm still working a full-time job.
Yeah, I think that was really important. We haven't had to be scared about where our money was going to come from. So,
As of yet.
yeah.
Question 6. What do you miss the most?
Being able to travel.
Yep. Yeah, everything, there's nothing open, so.
Yeah, so we can't really just like go somewhere. I mean, even if we wanted to stay in a hotel, we couldn't do it because they're all closed too. So really just the being able to travel.
So, question 7. How long has it been since you've been at a campsite?
Well, technically, we just left one today.
Yep.
Because we found out that our conservation, some of them have camp spots, and they're all, of course, dry camp. But so we went and tried one out. We left yesterday, and yeah, so that was fun. Other than that, though, we hadn't been since way back first part of March when we went to New Mexico and Arizona and stuff.
Okay, number 8. What is your favorite quarantine food?
And probably been easier to ask what wasn't.
My favorite is anything that you fix me.
Yeah.
So, I don't have anything.
And I just like to try different stuff, new recipes. Ooh, I love those cookies. Brown sugar and bourbon chocolate chip cookies. Shelly from our Epic RV Adventure did those, and I followed her recipe, and those were delicious.
Probably some of the best cookies I've ever had.
Oh yeah, those are amazing.
I ate myself sick on those.
I still got one batch frozen in the freezer.
Great. So, question 9. How are you exercising or doing workouts?
I don't. I didn't do that before.
Yeah,
so.
I'm still pretty active at work, so
Yeah.
I don't. But besides just walking around the fish banks, the banks of the ponds and stuff.
My thumbs and stuff get worked out. Texting and going through the YouTube videos. Does that count?
I think it burns calories.
Yeah. See.
Okay, so question 10. Who are you challenging next?
Okay. So a lot of people have already done this, so it was kind of hard to find people that hadn't done it. We think we did, but if we accidentally challenge somebody who's already been challenged, no worries. But Texas Family Camping is a really cool little channel. You guys got to go check them out. They're still a really young channel. Last I looked, they were still under 100 subs. So you guys need to head over there and check out Texas Family Camping, and we'll put all the links down below to everybody's channels. And then Urban Explorer, and he's in the UK and has a van, a Volkswagen van that he's camps in and stuff. And so I'm kind of curious to see his answers on these, because I think they're more locked down than we were. So Simple Life Big Adventures, that's another really cool channel too. And so you want to get over there and check them out. We challenge them. And Kathy's Outdoor Adventures, what a sweet lady. You guys got to go over there and check out her channel if you haven't yet, because she's really cool. She takes some really good pictures and stuff too. She's kind of like a pro. So yeah, you want to go check her out too. And I think that's it. I think we've done it all. Yep. We'll put the questions in the description below. We'll put links to everybody's channel, including Jurgen's. And everybody go check those out. And this was fun. See you again on our next campy adventure.